you guys, welcome back to the Monkey Cave. So I took a little break, had some other stuff going on that I was taking care of, and now I'm right back to this truck. So over the last few days, I built out a small subframe underneath here, okay, to mount this one-piece fiberglass hood. Now, if you're not familiar with off-road trucks and the fiberglass one-piece hoods, this whole thing is one piece. It mounts to a set of mini fenders here, and this is where like the manufacturer will make it line up to the body lines of the particular truck. You'll notice it looks like a Raptor because this is what's called a Raptor conversion hood. This is made for a Ford Ranger normally, and then it makes it look like it's a full-size truck. Now we adapted it to fit this sport track, obviously, and it actually just looks killer on here. So let me take a minute and show you how this works. Couple of clips on one side, couple of clips on the other. Now, like anything else, this is snowball because underneath here, okay, use a regular old suspension limit strap to stop it from falling to the ground. The customer already had this UMP filter mounted right here, and it worked great for him then. But with this hood put on, the elbow right here actually hits this. So I'm going to relocate this filter and build out a nice intake for this truck next, and that should finish up the front end. And then I've got some stuff in the rear we're going to get to, and probably another episode. This is our focus right now. Now, the flip-up hood here has a subframe. I'll show you that. But I also built standoffs, so it's not actually sitting on this front bumper. It's sitting on top of it. It's not one piece. Now we can cut this bumper away, build something different if we want that matches this hood a little bit or something like that. So come on, we still got a bunch of work to do.
And lose control. And lose control.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the subframe all built out. This thing swings up and down real nice. And we're just buttoning up the install of the UMP filter. And there's an oil cooler on the front of this truck that has to be mounted as well. And that's what's going on now. So